In today's video, I'll show you how to find your wallet address on BingX. One important thing to know is that BingX does not provide one universal wallet address for your account like some other platforms do. Instead, BingX generates a separate deposit address for each cryptocurrency and blockchain network you choose to use. This system helps improve both security and transaction accuracy when receiving crypto assets. To get started, log into your BingX account using the official website. Always double-check the website URL before signing in to protect yourself from phishing scams and fake websites. After logging in, you'll arrive at the home page. From there, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Assets tab. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Deposit. This section is where you can access wallet addresses for different cryptocurrencies. Once the deposit page opens, you'll need to choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to receive. After selecting the coin and the correct blockchain network, BingX will automatically generate your unique deposit wallet address. You can then copy the address or scan the QR code to receive funds safely into your BingX account.